This is my Timeless Rose album. It has a custom cover. It measures 6.5 by 9.5, and it has a 2.5-inch spine. It is a rounded spine. It is faux leather, and it has some ridges. I have attempted to make this have a little bit of an aged look. There are some faux metal corners on the book. I have some raised images here, once upon a time, and then this is a debossed image of a rose. The closure is a hitch post and muslin closure. It has a couple of garment pins with some charms, and it has a rounded spine, and I've added some cheesecloth to give it a vintage aged look. So let's just get to it. There are 4 signatures, and there are 112 pages, and I used, again, the collection. I think it's called Once Upon a Time. I used some of those elements in this book. So let's just get to it. I've used some digital downloads that I had in my stash, and I use Ephemeris Vintage Garden and Nick the Booksmith. I used a lot of different, and I can't ever remember. I used Digital Collage Club, but I'm not very good about identifying which images belong to which vendor. This is a coin envelope that I made using my We Are Memory Keepers punch board. This is a big envelope with a nice big journaling card in it, and it flips out. This is from Wink and Blink and a Nod, and another tag, and this is a functioning envelope, and a tuck with a index card. This is a faux, I don't remember where I got these, but these are clock faces, and this was a digital download, and so I love to use those. A sheet from a scheduling book that I have coffee dyed. This is a Rolodex card. There's a little library card in it, and another tag. Here's one of those faux typewriter keys, a little collage. This is one of those Tim Holtz characters, and this is a teacher's grade book. The dangles, I dangled from the top, and again, these are digital downloads, and I think this is from Digital Design Club, but I'm not sure. A little collage and a tuck spot. I haven't coffee dyed and tea dyed every single page. This is another one of those clocks, and an envelope with a index card, and a math fact card that I've turned into a journaling card. I got these a long time ago off the internet. I've used a lot of book pages. This is an envelope. A lot of book pages in this. And this is an acetate. This is an acetate tuck spot for that tag. Teacher's grade book with a little collage. Another tuck spot, a little doily envelope, an envelope in the center for the dangles. Again, we have some a couple of tags and a couple of images, digital images that I downloaded. Again, I think this is Digital Collage Club, but I'm not sure. And another index card. And I made this envelope using my We Are Memory Keepers punch board, a little larger coin envelope, an acetate tuck spot, teacher's grade book, thesaurus page, lots of tabs in this. I love the way this looks with all these tabs. I think that's a neat look. Banners, tuck spot. You open this up, and it's winkin', blinkin', and nod. With a little, this is a pocket underneath there. And another acetate tuck spot. Corner tuck. Teacher's grade book. I just love these flamingos. I think they've got a little bit of an attitude. I don't know why I chose to put them in here, but I just thought they suited. And again, I love the way this looks with all these tabs. Little note card. And a couple of tags. This is collage again. This is an altered clip. And we have dangles that are digital images. Another envelope. I made this with my envelope pinch board too. Altered paper clip. A couple of those Tim Holtz characters. A little butterfly collage. Another Rolodex card. Teacher's grade book. And this is has a tuck spot there and a tuck spot there. This is from chocolate that I got at Christmas, and I made this with my We Are Memory Keepers envelope punch board. Envelope out of a thesaurus page, music page, another envelope. This is Create, and these are the typewriter keys, the faux typewriter keys that I made. I made them in two sizes. I made them in this size, and then I made them in a little smaller size. I enjoy using those. There's another one that I made. Here's another Tall Tales and Silly Things. Another tab, a little collage. Another envelope. Banner. And this journal needs a forever home. I certainly did have fun making this journal. Every time I make a journal, I don't know, it's different, it's fun. I love making these debossed images on the cover. I hope you enjoyed this video. I certainly enjoyed showing it to you. Thank you.